Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with experiment number 2 of class 12 biology. Our aim is to collect and study soil samples from 2 different sites to study them for texture of soil, for its moisture content, for the pH and the water holding capacity of different soils. So for here we will take 2 different samples. One is from the roadside soil and the second is soil from the garden. First we will start with texture of soil. As you know that soil is a complex mixture. Soil is a mixture which constitute mineral matter as well as organic matter. It also has water in between the soil particles and air. Plus, soil also have microorganisms, living material which are present in soil. When we discuss about the particle size, these are the various particle size which are present in the soil, mixture of the soil. Like the particle size which are more than 2 mm, we call them as gravel. From 2 mm to 0.2 mm, that is the coarse sand. 0.2 mm to 0.02 mm, it is fine sand. 0.02 mm to 0.002 mm is known as silt, and less than 0.002 mm is clay. If the type of soil which is having more amount of soil, we call them as sandy soil. So all the sandy soils in desert as well as in the beaches, in the ocean beaches, sea beaches, more sand is present than it is sandy soil. If large amount of clay is present in the soil, then we call that type of soil as clayey soil. Water absorption, water retention, moisture content, it depends upon the type of soil. And accordingly we decide which type of crops we need to cultivate. A farmer needs to cultivate in his crop field. So let us begin with our experiment to find out the texture of soil. To study the texture of soil, we will take water in measuring cylinder. We will fill 3/4 of this measuring cylinder with water, and then we will add soil in this water, and we will go at stirring this soil constantly. Constant stirring and mixing of this soil in water. You can see soil is completely mixed in water. After mixing it thoroughly, leave this measuring cylinder without disturb for 15 to 20 minutes. Let in these 20 minutes, and after this we will study the texture of the soil, the different layers of the soil which will be settling down in the measuring cylinder. After 20 minutes, when we observe this measuring cylinder, these are the different layers which you observe. At the base, at the bottom, you will find the sand particles. As sand is heavier, it will settle down first. After the coarse sand, the fine sand particles, then the silt, and then the clay. Very fine particles and lighter one, the clay, you can see at the top. Different zones you can observe. We can measure these layers with the help of scale. Then you can find the layer amount of water and at the top, at the surface of water, you will see humus, that is the organic content in the soil. As it is lighter, it floats at the surface of water. Measure the amount, calculate the amount, and find the texture of soil. If larger is the amount of sand, then our sand is sandy soil. If it is more amount of clay present, then it is clayey soil. If it is mixture of both, that is sand and the clay is at approximately at the same levels, then it is the loamy soil.